We're here the Hoover. Look. Oh my God. Guys, sa isa kong ano, na magtataya ako sa Wheel of Fortune ha, Wheel of Fortune, win. $1 million guys, for $1. Hindi natin na-spin natin to. Okay, pampaswerte. Okay, tiyasin niya. Wheel of Fortune now. Good luck. Tignan natin. Saan ba yung ano dito? Cash. Okay. Wheel of Fortune tayo ngayon. Tapos, sunod. Ano sunodin natin? Ito? Ito? Okay. Or ito. Ay, spin. Wala. Wala talaga swerte. Wala talaga. Wala akong swerte, talo ako. Talo ako guys. So ayan. Ano na lang natin, enjoy na lang natin ang ating buhay. Ay, nandito na kami sa aming adventure tours to Grand Canyon. So, ayan. This is our shuttle, guys. Ito yung maghatid sa amin sa Grand Canyon. Ayan. It's 3 hours to go there. Ayan. We're here in the Hoover Dam. Ayun o. The dam is over there. So, ayan. This is so pretty. The bridge is there at my back. So, we're gonna walk all the way there to see the dam. One of the 7 wonders of the world. That's like a man-made dam. The world's largest dam in the whole world. Man-made siya na dam. So, ito yung itsura ng mga ano. So pretty. Ayun o, ang ganda o. Ang ganda. Look at this guys. It's so pretty.
From the 7 states to seek out a solution to equal water rights. Hoover proposed to simply divide the area into a lower and upper basin and leave further negotiations to the states within those basins. This compromise
So we're going to the power plant. So here's the power plant sa Hoover Dam. Yeah. So yeah, we're going
under 500 feet.
Yeah. So yeah, we're here in the under. Sa ano na, how many feet again? 700 feet na kami sa dam. So here's now inside the dam.
Mining. Tubig ang sunod ano.
Oh, video ka tiyasin niya. Video mo.
Dili kay kuan man tingin. Dili man linaw sa ano yun.
Our group, usually I don't have to use it as long as everyone can hear me. You're all good? Okay. So once again, welcome to the Hoover Dam. This is a map of the Hoover Dam site, and this is where we are. We are standing inside of a diversion tunnel. So when they began to build the dam, they needed to find a way to move the river from the construction site. And they did that by building 4 diversion tunnels, 2 on the Arizona side and 2 on the Nevada side. They're 50 feet in diameter, about 3/4 of a mile long, and it did take them almost 2 years to completely blast out all 4 tunnels. Once those tunnels were finished, they had to figure out how they were going to move the river into the tunnels, and they did that by building 2 coffer dams. A coffer dam is a temporary earth-filled dam. One was built upstream, and that pushed the river into the tunnels, and the other was built downstream, and that kept the river from flowing back into the construction site. So once those coffer dams were finished, they drained the site and they removed 135 feet of loose rock and debris to get down to the bedrock, which is the dam's foundation. June 6, 1933, they were ready to begin building the dam. They had buckets carrying 8 cubic yards. That's all calcium. Also, I don't know if you've had a chance to look out at the lake yet, but after the tour, when you're walking around outside, you can see it. So we have our high water line from the lake. That's awesome.
So now we're in the up of 32 feet naman sa Hoover Dam. So look. 32 feet naman tayo ngayon sa power plant. Power plant. Yeah. So you can see. Wow. So ito. Nandito na tayo sa kanilang power plant. Ayan. Nag-generate siya.
All right, everybody, keep on coming all the way into the room for me. You can find any spot around the balcony. Feel free to roam around a little bit.
Okay. So we can see. Welcome to Hoover Dam.
And this is the time when you welcome to the Nevada wing of the power plant. I would like to direct your attention down the room to the generators. There are 8 that you see here on the Nevada side. We have 9 more on the Arizona side for a total of 17 generators. Each generator stands 70 feet tall, but you can only see the top 30 feet of them. If you look at the first generator right here, Nevada 1, look about halfway down and you will see a light shining on a 65-foot steel shaft. At the bottom of the shaft is the turbine. The water comes down through those huge penstock pipes, hits the turbine at about 48 miles an hour, turning the shaft, which is connected to the rotor, which is housed inside the red drum. The rotor is made up of 40 electromagnets.
सेल्फी लेकर देखिए सर आ जाएगा
Hi, ang ganda oh. So punta naman tayo sa other side ng dam. Ganda talaga niya. It's so pretty. So we got like 10 minutes and then we're going back to our to our bus or shuttle. Kasi pupunta na kami ng Grand Canyon. So we got only like 10 minutes left. So thank you. So 10 minutes left for this. So wow. So this is the dam. Ang ganda oh. Wow. Look at this guys. Ang ganda oh. We are in gas station. Stopover papuntang Grand Canyon. So nag-stop over kami dito para mag-CR, magpagasolina, bumili ng mga pagkain na little. So ito yung Arizona. Nandito kami sa Arizona guys. So Arizona. Okay lang. So maybe 2 hours pa siguro makakarating na kami sa Grand Canyon. So, I'm very excited to see the Grand Canyon. But today, ayun, sobrang init. But it's so fun, look. Arizona is a big research talaga. Ayan. Welcome to Arizona. Great Canyon. Look at this. 360 degrees. That's my love. Hello, the Grand Canyon. Great Canyon. 7 wonders of the world. is a Joshua tree. Ayan. Yung Joshua tree, ano siya, oh. Nakakatakot. Parang kutsilyo. Ayan. We're in the middle of nowhere here in Arizona. Ayan. Stop over.